I wish I have friends to be with, but it seems people run away at the sight of me. How bad can it be? Do you see what I see? The greed that's in me. Making friends is like a fantasy. I wish that was easy. I ain't trying to be mean, just hoping to be seen. Not just greed that you see. I'm a friend of you and me. Lonely, I am ever so lonely. Nobody wants to be friends with me. I just wish I wasn't so lonely. It seems like money isn't everything that people in Wild Wild West needs. The beauty of the town isn't what they have. The teamwork and the friendship of people in town. I've always worked hard to get the money that I want, but is that really the only important thing that I need? It's time to let them go. I envy that you have a great place and a great mayor. Wild Wild West has shown me the power of teamwork and friendship.
You know what, Groove? You're really not that bad after all.
That's right. You're just not getting things your way in a nice manner.
Well, I'm sorry. I didn't know how important this town is to every single one of you. And I may have asked too much, especially from Mayor Wow.
What do you mean?
Don't worry, Gloria. Groove has agreed to let Bonnie and Ranger go, but at the extent of the town and the rest of its money.
Yes. Above all the money and the beautiful town that we have, what's most important to me are my people. We have one another. We can always build another town like Wild Wild West again.
But Mayor Wow, the town is what we have built together. How could we let it fall under the hands of someone this greedy?
I'm sorry. Well, I didn't realize how important this town is to every single one of you. And you know what? I'm starting to love this town so much that I see this as a great opportunity to make even more money. Well, not for myself, but as a team.
Yoo-hoo! Groove! I finally got it. I'm glad that you realize the power of love and friendship defeats the importance of money. And the next time you have a business proposal, do it politely, please. Thank you.
Groove, we forgive you. Actually, it is not a bad idea to have a railway track at Wawa West.
Oh, I can also share our extraordinary ranch with people from the city. But you just have to keep the grasslands for cattle. Maybe I can share my beautiful voice too.
Oh, yes, of course. You can even join the city's talent show. I'm sure that your beautiful voice will serenade the busy city people.
And I don't mind whipping up more food for the visitors too.
You know what? We can build a railway station in my classy town hall.
Oh, I get on it, Maria. Right on it right now.
Hey guys, that inspired me so much, man. And I just came out with a new tune. Care to sing to it?
Again?
Oh, of course, Ranger. You know, we love singing, right?
Wow, I'm happy to be on this business deal with you. Your town is lucky to have you as their leader.
Welcome to Wawa West, Groove. You know, we'll always be happy to have you.
Welcome to our town. We'll never let you down. Where friendship gives you joy, and it brings us all around. City to the town, to make this our home ground. You're welcome to enjoy and leave your worries behind.
Wow, I can't tell you how much I appreciate your greatness. And I'm sorry to every single one of you for what I could.
Hey, very cool, man. All your new squad is family.
Especially now that you've got us to do it.
And with that, we can achieve more together.
To our town, we'll never let you down. Where friendship gives you joy, and it brings us all around. City to the town, to make this our home ground. You're welcome to enjoy and leave your worries behind. Thank you, everyone. Now it's ready. We now have Wow Wow West Railway Station.
Get on board! I say we get on board!
The best ranch in town will never let you down.
Get on board! I say we get on board!
The best best food in town at Tasty Wow. Every corner has a story to tell. Every person has a part to play. Wow, let's. It's time to say, let's celebrate. All aboard on the Wow Wow train. All aboard on the Wow Wow train. All aboard on the Wow Wow train. Let's celebrate. All aboard on the Wow Wow train. All aboard on the Wow Wow train. All aboard on the Wow Wow train. Let's celebrate. Wow wow train to the Wow Wow West. Wow wow train to the Wow Wow West. Wow wow train to the Wow Wow West. Let's celebrate. All aboard on the Wow Wow train. All aboard on the Wow Wow train. All aboard on the Wow Wow train. Let's celebrate. All aboard on the Wow Wow train. All aboard on the Wow Wow train. All aboard on the Wow Wow train. Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate.
What a story!
Thank you so much, Miss Mel, for bringing us through this great adventure.
Thank you, Missy, for your advice. I just heard how we could be part of the story too.
Wow, I learned so much today.
Just like Mayor Wow, I wouldn't exchange anything to be your teacher.
I know now that with family and friends who care about us, anything is possible. We have to be nice to people and their loved ones too.
That was such a great lesson with all of you. Now it's time to go home.
See you, Miss Mel. Bye, music.
Bye, everyone!
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, presenting to you the shining stars of Muse Arts, our Muse Arts young talents and their incredible young talents managers. Let's give it up for the Groovies! And next up, we have the Sheriff. And now we have the Yummy. Next up we have your Howdy.
of course, we have our young musicians and our young stars. A huge round of applause to our backstage heroes. We, our props manager. The amazing media team, our stage hands, the lighting and sound crew. And of course, yours truly, your stage manager. And now, the moment we've been waiting for, the stars of Wild Wild West. Give your loudest applause to Miss Mel, our small yet mighty teacher. Ranger, the passionate guitarist. Bonney, the amazing cook and dancer. Gloria, our enchanting singer. Secretary Wow, the ever-efficient assistant. Mayor Wow, our fearless leader. Groove, the lovable troublemaker. And last, but certainly not least, our one and only music! Let's give them all another round of applause. And with that, Muse Arts is signing off for now. We'll see you again next year. Goodbye.